So hi. So as you all know that GATE registration will start. Actually, I made a video that 30th of August it will start, but it has been postponed. It will start on 2nd of September. So actually, I generally don't make videos like strategies and everything because there are so many videos already out in open. So I used to watch. Okay, even if sometime because I have subscribed so many channels and I do watch it still now whenever I get time. So I don't actually make videos, but then I got like in past week I got so many questions, people who are worried and etc. So it's not possible to answer all the calls because it's not that I don't want to. I really want to, because this is what I love, making videos, teaching, but then I really don't have time, so time crunch is there. So I will try. Okay, I'll try my best. So anyways, before moving on to functions, I felt like I should make a video on this. Let's make it short and crisp. Okay, so we have exactly 5 months. You can say more than 5 months if you just exclude February from out of the question. Just we have here. Okay, so we have exactly 5 months: September, October, November, December, and January. So you can say like that. Okay, so first of all, the first thing first is stop worrying. Because worrying will take you anywhere. Okay, because I am standing your live example, not anyone else. I am telling you with my own experience. So in GATE 2020 I prepared a lot, I did my everything. There was no actual real life problem in my life. Okay, because last year my father died. So actually when this year's exam should have been a problem because such a tragedy happened, but in back 2020 I had absolutely no problem. So just because I was worried and I had this insomnia, anxiety, etc. Okay, so I tried for professional help, but that wasn't good enough. So but the thing is, stop worrying. Won't take you anywhere. It will drag you down it at your worst. Okay, so what happened, I have already told you my whole journey. So if I wouldn't have worried in 2020, I had done every possible thing, I would have got this rank or much better rank, and I would have got into college, and by this year now I would have completed my second year also, like half of the second year. But what happened, I got disqualified, not because I did not prepare, but because I worried so much. I had anxiety problem, I had lots of problems. So one thing led to another, and it was a total disaster. So I can tell you, so if you are not able to control your anxiety or anything, do take a help, a good one. Okay, so that's the first thing. Stop worrying. If you are worrying that I have 5 months, I have this subjects. Okay, if you have 5 months, okay, so 5 into 30, if you and 24 hours, if you can put at least, like if you are in college, you can put 6-7 hours a day also. So and on weekends you can just get compensate more. So you have lot of hours too. Like if you take in hours, you have lot of hours. Okay, so revision, then doing mathematics, completing subjects, taking tests, you have lot of things. So till like December you can try to finish the subjects, and then the full length tests also you can take. Okay, so see, I have taken calls of 2 people, and I have said one whatever according to them, but you need to figure out what you where your subjects are left, which subjects you have to do, and which is which test series, how to revise. So irrespective of anyone, I will say revision is mandatory to everyone. Okay, revision and mathematics try to do in parallel, even if mathematics is not even possible every day, but revision you do. Okay, so that's it. So I'll first be like Arjun and aim for the fish's eye. Okay, don't think anything else. Okay, what I'm just quoting what my psychiatrist said last year. Okay, so Dr. Dash, he said to me this last year. So I think around this time I was actually finding a doctor for my mother because my father died, and so I was actually trying to find a doctor for my mother. Then I thought he's such a nice person, let's consult him too. So first day he said that he actually said in Bengali, it's Shire Shankranti na. Okay, So it's not that my exam is 5 days later, it's 5 months later. So I don't 5 months or 5.5 months or something like that. Okay, so he said 5 months is enough, you don't have to worry anything, just focus on your preparation. The only thing you should do is focus on your preparation. If you are lacking confidence, prepare well, make a maintain a journal that you have done this is in on that journal, and whatever you left also you can make a schedule of what you should do and everything, and revision is must. And other thing is that so this is the thing, if you are not like phone addiction or etc etc, there are some this like Instagram reels, Facebook live, then YouTube. So whenever you open YouTube, it should be like educational channels should be in front of you. Okay, so I had so many, still now whenever I open YouTube, I can see all the channels who like provide GATE materials. Or now since even if GATE is over, I'm trying to find out like MATLAB, Python. So when you just subscribe these channels which are providing you GATE related, like your goal oriented things. Okay, so whenever you will open YouTube, you will find some videos which will even if you try to like dislocate from your preparation, these videos will come take you back. Okay, so there are a lot of channels. Okay, so there are a lot of channels, you can just subscribe them all, so you can so whenever you open YouTube, you will get that. Okay, so now another things are like Instagram reels, so try to avoid those things. Okay, so feel like that if you avoid those things now, you will get into, see, I'm not trying to tell you abandon the whole like social media from your life, that's not possible, but when you are studying, don't do that. Okay, so I can just tell you this, see, we have 24 hours a day, even for 24 hours studying, just for few hours you can have for relaxation, like if you are watching some videos or series or movies, movies will take you 3 hours, so like some part of your day you can have time for social media. It's not that you have to study 24 hours, you have to sleep also, have proper sleep, have good meal, don't skip your meals and all. So if anyone is doing that, please don't do this. And I just wanted to tell you this. And if you feel that your life is full of hardships and etc and all, you are facing so many troubles, so the easiest thing you can do is what I do. I have been like, it's my thing, I have been like this since I think I was a kid. So when say like few days back, I had to do MATLAB and my laptop wasn't working like for an hour. I was worried and etc, because that timeline I was really worried. But when I came out of my room, I thought let's get some fresh air. Came out of room and I went outside, not outside, I just saw from my window there are like vendors who are all like in this sunlight, they are all the way, they are traveling like everything, they are like so in this scorching heat and everything, they are selling vegetables and etc. See, their life is far more pathetic than we are. So if you can go to news channel, you don't have to news channel, if you are on Facebook, Instagram, you will see lot of things. Okay, all around the world, you know what is going on and etc. So if you put yourself in that position, you will see that how your life is. You feel like the king or queen of the world. Okay, at least I feel that I have a roof over my head, I have food, I have my mother, I have a home. Like, what else I need? Okay, I don't have a proper laptop, but then it's okay. Okay, so just feel this, because if you lack motivation or if you feel that your life is full of hardship, so you can just do this. Okay, this is just the easiest thing to do. You can just feel the pain of the others, then you will feel that you are so blessed and you can get back to your study. So I feel like, okay, the only thing, even not now, even before, even when as a kid, the only thing I feel that they are facing so many hardships. Okay, the only thing I am doing, I am studying at home, at my own home, and I have roof, I have food. Okay, so what else do you need? Okay, so we need a roof over our head, and the notes or whatever things you need to study, you have that also, and food on your plate. So what else do you need? You have all the things in your world. The hardships, try to refocus your things. Like if you are facing any issues, just don't see all those things. Okay, so now another thing is, I just wanted to say this, if I can get a branch in IIT Kharagpur, you can get like the best. Okay, so IIT Bombay, IIT Bangalore, target for those. Okay, so you know, last year during this time I was talking to my mother about this. Okay, so last year I wasn't stressed. Okay, the best thing about last year was I wasn't stressed. I was okay, let me see what happens in life, etc. I wasn't stressed. But a year ago, I can tell you, a year ago I was filling GATE registration form. Okay, last year it was conducted by IIT Bombay. I am not going out of line here, just bear for a second. So last year there was not last year, this year's exam was conducted by IIT Bombay. So I was filling the form. So today, a few days back, I thought of seeing whenever the this year's GATE registration is starting. So I saw that I knew that IIT Kharagpur is, because even if I try to forget, I have so many subscribed YouTube channels, so they will remind me. Okay, that IIT Kharagpur is launching this. These questions are important, etc., etc. So you also do that. Sorry. So you know, I opened the GATE 2022 site. The first photo was IIT Kharagpur's, the main building. Okay, I haven't seen the main building. So the feel that, because I am here, okay, I am not here, like I am remotely studying there only. Okay, so just think of a person like me. Last year, 2 years of preparation, father died, no money, source of income, anything. Okay, so many of things. Look, I'm just giving you an example. It's not a perfect example. People are like, there are so many people who are less fortunate, they have more hardships, but I don't know their situation, so I'm just telling you my situation as an example. You can take more examples. So I'm just telling you my example. So is that I didn't have anything. Okay, so now a year now, like today I am sitting here in my own home. Okay, obviously, so I know, because someday I will go there. I am studying there. Okay, I am an enrolled student, I am having my classes. So a year can change a lot. Okay, so a year, like not a year, like 5 months. Okay, you can just say 5 months can change a lot. So if I can get it, why I was telling you this, because if you feel you will not get anything, just remember that if I can get anything from this exam, you will get the best. Okay, so now today IIT Kharagpur is launching this GATE exam. So next year you will be in IITs, NITs, IIITs, all the premier institutes in India. Okay, so think like that. So take my example that a year ago I had nothing, absolutely nothing, and today I am sitting at my home. I am, because our seniors have gone to KGP. Actually, I am in Kolkata. Okay, even if I am from Kolkata, I haven't been to Kharagpur ever. Okay, never seen the campus. So seniors are sending us photos of our department, of the main building, then mess areas. So it's a different feeling. Okay, so you will get to feel those things. Okay, once you crack GATE. Okay, so once you crack GATE, you start applying colleges, everything will fall into place. Okay, so stop worrying. Like, so a few days back, this person I was talking to, this guy, he asked me that how much marks. So he was very courteous. I told him that don't think about marks. If the question is easy, you have to be like get more marks. Accuracy, you have to see. Accuracy, you have to be check always. Okay, but if the question is very easy, then you have to score more marks. And if the question is hard, then everyone will get low marks only. You are not competing with your own paper. Okay, this is relative marking. If you are competing with people like you only, they are not super genius. Maybe 3% will be, but most of the people are like you. You just have to get the marks where the questions are easy and which are doable. So don't think like I have to get 70, 60, 40, 50 like this. Oh, just don't think. Just concentrate on your preparation and concept, building the concept, so that revision, practice, so that in actual exam you can do the questions. Okay, so the main thing, that is the main thing here. So don't worry about how much marks I have to get. So you can get a rough estimate like from the previous years how much marks you need and etc. But don't focus so much on marks, so that you just drive your attention from your preparation to somewhere else. Okay, so that I wanted to say. If you have more queries, you can mail me. Okay, so calling, I am not very sure I will be able to take, because I have my own exams also. So just I wanted to share this part. I hope this video is helpful to you. Even if one person can be helpful from this video, I will say that I am a winner. This is a win-win situation. because I have been in your shoes. Okay, just year back I was there. So stop worrying. Okay, I am telling you again and again, stop worrying, because I was there. I know the situation, how hard it can be, but you have to go on. The only thing is you have to go on. You have studied, you have put lot of hours, so remember that. Be not, I will say, not be confident, overconfident, but remember those things that you have prepared. So you just need to revise and proper like make a routine table, that you need to figure out what exam, but I mean what subjects you have to do, and revision, etc. That's the only thing you should focus, and focus on your preparation. Be like Arjun. Okay, so that's it. We will continue with functions, and bye. And let's, if you have more doubts, mail me. Okay, bye.